Kumasi, a city in the Ashanti region, and among the largest metropolitan areas in Ghana. The city is best known as the former capital of the Ashanti Empire, where these lovely lovers are located. The husband, Luke, claims to be a skilled chef, and desires to demonstrate to Isaac and the world on the cook menu. With the help of the wife, Aina, he is cooking an authentic Ghana's traditional palm nut soup. Isaac seems to get along with the couples, and they appear to be having a wonderful time. This is the palm nut soup's base, which I will drain after combining with boiling water. These are the ingredients I use. I have my crabs. They are fresh. I just got them from the market. The claw must be handled with caution. These are different kinds of dried fish mixed together.
I'll just walk you through the ingredients to use. They have their snails, they have their onion and green pepper. Small gardeners. Anyways, and so we have that, and then we have our onion, tomatoes, and then I think pepper, but it's already cooked.
The snails behave in this manner while they are in a bush, and we'll show how they are removed from the shelf. This is the claw they use to pinch you with. Open the carapace and remove all dirts and debris. I've put everything in the pot and it will keep boiling. Hey, be careful you don't burn your head. I'm steaming the dried fish and the crabs with blended onion, ginger, pepper and garlic. And add 1 Maggi cube for a pleasant flavor. I usually like to use hot water to mix the palm nut base. The hot water makes it very fast to mix, and the hot water prevents the fish in the soup from dissolving. You strain to take the palm kernel and chaff to get your palm pulp. You don't steam for long to add your pulp. Though it's already strained, we must strain it again, ensuring we don't get dirt in our soup. Don't forget your blended fresh tomatoes, honey. The snails are going at this time. In palm nut soup, you don't boil the snail, but you do so in spinach soup. This is salted stock beef with a high smell. Toto beef. It is basically cured beef as a way to make it flavorful. Do not forget its water, it's a must. Pull on the snail's body by reaching into the shell's main entrance. It tastes very good.
To follow on and where is the only other TV moves already but tasting.
The palm nut soup after heating up for about 40 minutes. The soup is completely boiled.
It's not time for us to test the food, but for the sake of bias, I am going to bring 2 new people to test the food and see if the food tastes so good or not. The man has been bragging. The woman has been teaching him how to do it. But I still believe the food is gonna taste good. And so, without no wasting my time, let's welcome our new testers in the kitchen.
What must say? Kobasi na nese. There's a chair, Mamma Cotton.
I will serve the testers. America, be careful, is hot. How do you see the food? Oh, it's very nice. Indeed, he's a good cook. Thank you for watching. Bye.